Welcome back to our channel. I want to thank everyone for subscribing and liking and commenting on our channel. I have an update on the RV. It passed its smog check and I got its stickers. Although it's 3 months late, but I did get the stickers for this. And I want to do some final inspections before we get it ready for drag day this weekend. Alrighty, I'm going to take you along about getting ready to be roadworthy for this weekend, drag day. I opened the door already, and as you can see, that it's a good sign because the steps came down, so the batteries are holding charge. I'm gonna do a visual look around the RV and see if anything has changed. I've been here a couple of days ago, and I'm gonna just see that the tires are holding everything. They're the brand new tires. I bought them 5 years ago, and they're date stamped, and they only last 10 years. So I did the math when I did the smog check earlier this week, and I realized that I only went 24,000 miles in 2 years. So I averaged 100 miles a month, and for some that's pretty good, for others that's pretty horrible. But I am getting ready to put on the new sticker today. I'm gonna clean it off and just make sure that everything is roadworthy for the trip I'm gonna go on this weekend to Irwindale. I'm in Stanton, California right now, which is I don't know, 30-40 miles away. And I just wanted to check all the tires, make sure they held air and all that. And I'm gonna start up the RV now. There's the paperwork with the smog check, and I'm gonna first turn on the batteries. Now, with my trusted batteries and everything charged up still, I'm trying to start it up. It's got 32,000 miles. I've drove about 80 miles in the last week just to let the brain and everything recalculate after I jump started it a week ago. So here we go. Fires up on the first turn, as always. I'm just gonna let it do its checks, vitals. I got the generator to work again because it was low on gas, so the generator doesn't pump under a quarter tank. So as you see, I filled it up with 62 gallons of gas, which was $340. So now it's got brand new fuel, brand new tank. It's full to the top. And the generator, it's got 155 hours on it. So in a few, I'll the generator sucks up a lot of power too, so when the batteries are low, it kills the battery, apparently. So I got to let it charge up, do its thing, and then try and start it up in a few. But as you all can see, it's pretty good looking on the inside, and it's how I left it a year ago. So I just have to get everything back in order, fix everything, and straighten things out. Do that later, and make sure all the things are roadworthy again. All these little things you forget about when you leave it behind and you don't have anything to remember by. So all right, with the generator on, the appliances work on the inside, so I'll show you that in a few. Let's see, it's 100 temperature. It's been a couple of minutes. So I had a generator working last time, so I believe it should hopefully work this time. So I'm just gonna prime it and hold the generator button down and look at the gauges. Voila! It's on. As you can tell, the light is on. That means the generator is working. The gauges didn't flicker too much, but we'll go outside and look at the gauges. The microwave's working. The AC is working. The generator fluctuates up and down when it's cold, from what I remember last time. And so everything, all the power gets surged, but once it warms up, it starts to good. And then the refrigerator is working too. So that's all good news. It's not the prettiest, it's not the cleanest, but I have to clean that. So I'm just gonna turn it off. And when the generator's not on, it has a button that you can do it by propane tank. So that works when it's not, the generator's not on. So the refrigerator works in two different versions. So I'm just gonna turn it back off so it doesn't get cold on me. Prop these open. Ah, it's already cold. Alrighty. I'm gonna go take a walk around the thing one more time. I'm gonna look underneath the RV, so I don't want to get on camera being all dirty and roaming around the dirt over here. But I just wanted everyone to know that I'm trying my best to make it to drag day this year. I thought I was gonna do it last year, but I didn't get a chance to make it. So when you see me, come by and say hi, say hello. I'm gonna have banners up. I'm gonna have all my heads out on a display to tell you what we got planned for this year and what we got going on and what we started and what we're trying to finish and the projects that we're doing. And I hope to see you there. Thank you. And as always, like and subscribe to our channel.